sis.
Hindi nga, member siya.
Jojo!
Rosel. Mami, mami, hello. Mami, hello.
Magaling kumain ng
Hello po.
Hi. Sinubukan ko yan.
Patatlong gawa lang niya yan.
Ayan naman yun. Ano, cauliflower.
Kaya lang, sa gilid
Inside.
Jojo, kanta ba?
Uy, kumuha ka lang.
Iisip ko sa ako napapakuha sa'yo. Wala yung ano singer eh.
Kawalang kaya ng
Tita Tilet, hello. Hi, hi, hi.
Hi, hi, hi.
Ah!
Para mong gano'n. Ay, hindi ako.
Hello, Kuya Ryan.
Ako nga, sinusubukan ko lang nga.
Story of about the world before. Since nothing ever changes, without you being a stranger, wondering if we ought to stay or head around outdoor. Just one in the big around, but if we're doing wrong, why we never lost or where we know, what make them more than just one.
Yan po yung handa namin.
We could just get away. Oh, we could break through here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, sis.
Oh, by the way, this is your thing.
Thank you.
Napadami ng konti.
Okay lang yan. Share tayo. Yoko.
Hello, tingin kayo.
Cheers. Gusto mo champagne?
No thanks. Nakadalawang baso na ako.
Fruit twist.
Drunk.
Hello,
Does anyone like...
Seriously, nakadalawa ako man.
Sinalaminan yung camera, no?
You don't even see yourself anyway.
I don't care.
Is it?
Your hair is
Well,
so
it's
buff.
me. Hello.
There's no difference. There's no difference.
Sige, cheers tayo.
Okay, I'm going out now. Are you say hi?
So, say hi!
Hello, Jep Jep. Hello.
Parang babae.
I know. Hello, Jet Jet. Hi.
Hi, ka ulit.
Hello po.
Nag-uso. Happy birthday!
Nawala yung singer eh.
Mami. Mami.
Kanta ka ulit ba? Nawala yung aming ano eh. Oo, magas na ako eh.
Sister. Oh my days.
Ikaw naman dito.
Hi.
Hey, it's my dad's birthday. Hello. Stop.
Kaming dalawa.
Hello. Well, it's not camera, by the way.
College.
Eh, siya kasi, pinagpo-post ka, hindi naman camera yun.
What does it smell now? They don't put it on.
No, nothing now.
Why?
Hello. Hi, Jeep Jeep.
Kung pag samahin mo yun yung ulit sa kayo pakalawa.
Ano ba? Privacy.
Put it there.
Wait. Bye-bye. Oh, yung pants na ayusin mo. Ha?
Hello. Uy, sinong kakanta?
Si Ate Noelie.
Yeah.
Aber,
Yeah.
ayan na.